the management team continued their meetings with Miss Brooks, the instructor. During this time, they updated the schedule, determined what additional materials were needed, and planned for future engineering meetings. They also contacted Bruce Henderson, our contact at Newton STEM, to increase exposure to the public. At the beginning of the month, the team presented the full-scale models of our alert system to Ethiopian citizens for critique and advice. In addition to the models, the team also showcased a few of our technical components and a variety of prepared sketches of the alert system's exterior design. After receiving valuable feedback from our visitors, we revised our alert system designs. We determined the placement of the technical equipment within the invention, choosing to keep the expensive components near the top of the structure to avoid damage and theft. We also finalized the placement of the LEDs, warning lights, solar panels, and hand swipes. We made the overall design of both structures slimmer and shorter to reduce the cost, and added a concrete cylinder base on both in order to strengthen and stabilize the system. The team additionally came up with several common elements to tie together the two design concepts. These elements include the concrete base, the placement of the warning lights and hand swipe, and the height of the structures. We then created scaled models of the revised designs. Drafting students helped us create a refined template of our design sloped column. We then began building full-scale prototypes out of foam core, wood, and builder's tube. We chose to continue with two unique concepts for our alert system design to make future production of our system flexible to whatever parts are available. The two designs will additionally appeal to a wider audience and differentiate our invention from conventional pedestrian alert systems. Between the two designs are common visual and technical elements to link the systems together. The B team has started developing a marketing campaign that will raise awareness of the traffic fatalities in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, using a video and bracelet trend. The video will show viewers the risk pedestrians are currently at, what our Invent team is doing to help, and what they can do to help the cause. After watching the video, viewers will be encouraged to donate funds, which will go towards the production of more pedestrian alert systems as well as road safety picture books to educate the children in Ethiopia. Sam will create a sign with illustrated instructions on how to use our system. After gaining approval of his sketches, he will move on to recreating it on the computer. Paroma is creating a picture book for children aimed to educate students and families on how to use our system. She is currently sketching a storyboard and character designs. Once this is approved, she will move on to creating more detailed pages and begin working on the textual content. Katie is designing a billboard of instructions on how to use our system. She has just finished sketching her ideas and is now creating her final design. Nick has been working on an animation that will appeal to Ethiopian children. So far, he has made up the storyline and characters. He is now sketching their appearances and characteristics. The team spent the better part of February learning the fundamentals of electrical engineering and the Arduino platform. After each group established the functionality of their assigned technical component, the team came together to begin building a single functional prototype. By gradually combining the different components, we were able to promote a strong understanding of the invention by all members. As we have completed our collaboration between these subgroups, we have begun refining our research on the solar energy aspect of our invention. We contacted African Energy, a solar energy company, to ask about the specifics of their products and about the availability of any possible discounts. We also telephoned Marianne Wolpert, an energy expert, to gain her input and ask various questions. We established a connection between the Arduinos to deliver information amongst the various modules, but we encountered several problems with communication between Arduinos. With the help of Henry Minsky, their mentor, they have solved all of the bugs and are now placing all of the components on the layout board. Throughout the month of February, the team contacted several mentors and visitors. We presented our project and prototype design for a group of Ethiopian citizens. We were able to gain important feedback from them on the design and fabrication of our invention. We also continued communication with St. Joseph Prep and received footage and several photos of Ethiopian roads and traffic. To thank them, and to aid in their future research, we purchased a camcorder and tripod for them. Though we sent the camcorder, we are still in the process of finding someone to directly deliver the tripod to the school, as the shipping would cost approximately $200 or more. We also compiled and sent St. Joseph additional research questions about possible materials, road conditions, and the predicted local response to specific elements of our design. Several team members presented our invention at the Newton Rotary Club luncheon for fundraising purposes. We received extremely positive feedback and encouragement on our project. The management team contacted Newton STEM co-chair Bruce Henderson. Newton STEM is an organization of professionals that promotes Newton students' interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. They wrote an article summarizing our project and explaining our invention's purpose. To further our solar research, the team telephoned Marianne Walpert, an energy expert. We were able to gain answers to various questions and receive input on the solar aspect of our invention. To solve our Arduino communication difficulties, we met several times with expert Henry Minsky. He provided us with extremely valuable assistance and was able to guide us toward solutions to many of our problems.